Let's learn Snowflake Twist. It's choreographed by Rudy Honing and Wesley F. Wessels. It is a 32 count 2-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Snowflake Twist. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to point your right toe to the right side. You're going to point your right toe slightly across your left. Point your right toe to the right side, and then you're going to flick your right foot up and behind your left. We're now going to Lindy to the right, shuffling right side, left together, right side, and then you're going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're pointing to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a left side toe strut. Touch your left toe to the left side, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. You're now going to touch your right toe over your left, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover back onto your right foot, and then you're going to cross your left over your right. We're going to hold and clap. You'll end that section facing 12 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 quarter turning Monterey's. You're going to point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of our left foot, bringing our right foot in and next to your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that. Point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of your left foot. Step your right next to your left. You're now facing 6 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're doing your Monterey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to hop forward, right, left, slightly out into the diagonal. So we're going to step our right foot out into the right diagonal, left foot out into the left diagonal. We're going to hold and clap. You're now going to hop back, stepping back with your right, step your left next to your right, and you're going to hold and clap. We're now going to twist our heels. So we're going to twist both heels to the right, twist both heels to the left, both heels to the right, both heels to the left. And you want to make sure that when you twist to the left that your weight is on your left foot and you're ready to start the dance all over again. Now on those twists, you want slightly bent knees to allow you to pivot back and forth on the balls of each feet. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our Monterey. Weight is on our left foot. We're hopping forward. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and you'll start with your points all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our point to the side. Point side, across, side, flick back, side together, side, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side, rock, cross, hold, and clap. Monterey quarter turn, Monterey quarter turn, hop forward, right, left, back, back, and twist, 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 twist. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your point to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart is very, very easy. It's just 2 claps, and then you'll start the dance all over again. It will be the end of wall 4, so you'll be finishing the back wall. You'll be coming to the front. You're going to add on 2 claps, and then you're going to start the dance all over again. That's the whole tag. So just 2 claps, 1, 2, and then you'll start your dance all over again with your points and flicks. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from that tag into the next wall. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. Weight starting on your left foot. You're pointing that right toe to the right side. It's point, side, forward, side, flick, Lindy, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side, rock, cross, hold and clap, Monterey, quarter turn, Monterey, quarter turn, now you're hop forward, clap, hop back, clap, twist, right, left, point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, point, 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 flick, Lindy, rock back, recover, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side rock, cross holding clap, Monterey, quarter turn, Monterey, quarter turn, now you're hop forward, out, back, twist, 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 twist. At the end of the wall, we're going to add on our 2 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, 1, 2, point, 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 flick, Lindy, rock back, toe strut, cross toe strut, side rock, recover, cross and hold. Monterey, quarter turn, Monterey, quarter turn, now hop out, in, and twist, right, left, And that is the whole dance. You'll dance all the way through till the end of the song, ending facing 12 o'clock. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the description below to scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear demo so you can go out and mark this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Snowflake Twist. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.